Hi, I'm Robin Ledke. I'm the Director of Talent Development at the Waukesha County Business Alliance. As you know, we launched our workforce development strategy this year, and one of the tenets that we have within that strategy is our develop tenet. We have been working really hard with building relationships with our superintendents and our presidents of all of our K-12 education systems here in Waukesha County so that we can find a way to connect our students to better opportunities in the career world. Guiding the work that we're doing within our workforce development strategy, we are working with our Education Steering Council, which is made up of educators and business leaders from around Waukesha County and the region. There was two initiatives that kind of rose to the top. One is an initiative called Careers Uncovered. Careers Uncovered is an opportunity for educators to go inside the doors of businesses and try on that career for the day and really try on that business to get a better understanding as to what their students will be doing when they enter the workforce. This was kind of put together by a smaller action team made up of a few educators and business leaders who built the framework and the guiding principles that would be around Careers Uncovered. Right now, we're debuting 7 days within our different industries of high growth. So that would be manufacturing, healthcare, information technology, and construction skills trade. And we're piloting it with 6 different school districts in Waukesha County. So in the past month, we've had the opportunity to host 2, and we're thrilled with some of the feedback that we've received thus far. One of the other initiatives that really came out of that focus group about a year ago with educators and our Education Steering Council was looking at a workforce readiness framework or dashboard, if you will, that we could really measure how our seniors are doing in Waukesha County and what they've already accomplished thus far. So this is a chance for us to really look at our career and life and college skills all on one dashboard, one framework, if you will. So we get an opportunity to look at our seniors and what their attendance rate was. We get a chance to find out, were they taking courses that were aligned with those high growth industries that we talked about earlier. And this is a chance for us to understand where they placed and what their percentages were through their ACTs. And it gives us a chance to know, are they in part of service learning initiatives, co-curriculars? Have they received some sort of certification while they were in their tenure with their high school? Our Education Steering Council and our Education Policy Committee have really been working to make sure that we help develop our students to be career and college ready. We wanted to support that mission on behalf of the business organizations here in Waukesha County. This framework and these programs that we're doing is really adding value so that students have an opportunity and the educators have an opportunity to be better prepared for the careers and industries and how they're growing right now.